Bollywood, you've been making shit movies for the last year or so. Okay.
So why don't you listen to three shitty people talk about it?
Yes.
And give you ideas about what more shitty movies you can make.
Yes.
Yes.
We are here to give Bollywood ideas. By we mean the breast. No.
The shittiest breasts.
Listen, it's 11 p.m. We are tired. The three best podcasters out of India
Yes.
on Pop Conversation.
Yes.
By three best, I mean myself, Abbas Momin, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and.
Antariksha.
You know.
Hi guys, what's up? It's been a while.
It's been a while, yes.
Boss, you are very elusive, man.
Elusive?
अभी elusive.
Elusive. Okay.
You know, तो अभी आ रहा है, अगले हफ्ते नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, अब
उसके
मैं-
अगले हफ्ते आएगा, उसके 3 हफ्ते नहीं आएगा.
हाँ,
अब मैंने यहाँ पे बिस्तर डाल लिया. अब मैं यहीं रहूंगा.
नहीं नहीं मत आ. मेरे घर पे ऐसा मेहमान नहीं चाहिए bro. बिन बुलाए. Have you ever had this problem of a guest staying for too long? It used to happen when I was a kid because you stay in a smaller house where a guest would come and you think they're going home in like 2-3 days, but they stay for like 1-2 weeks.
नहीं,
And now you're just
हमारे-
fucking stuck, dude.
Oh, हाँ हुआ था, but I don't want to share the story because I don't think he's
Because your parents listen to this.
yeah.
Yeah.
इस पे पिक्चर भी बन चुकी है by the way.
अतिथि
अतिथि कब
नहीं,
हाँ
अतिथि कब जाओगे, कब आओगे?
अतिथि तुम कब जाओगे?
कब जाओगे?
परेश
Paresh
रावल,
is the guest.
अजय देवगन,
And Konkana Sen.
Konkana
Oh, really?
Sen, yes.
Konkana was in that movie?
Yes.
Oh,
She was the wife.
nice. Back when Ajay Devgan used to make comedies.
Yeah.
Good times.
Yeah.
Correct.
Good times,
And
good
good
times.
comedies.
Yeah.
With like चलो छोड़ो.
अरे हम यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड पे शिट करने ही आए हैं.
अरे नहीं, उसके लिए तो नादानियाँ देखी हमने.
Oh, भाई.
You also saw 20
भाई
minutes. Half an hour.
वो मूवी देख के ही मुझे ये आइडिया है कि देखो अब तो हमें ही मैदान में उतरना पड़ेगा, हमें ही बताना पड़ेगा कि भाई
Why? Dude, you didn't like it. You didn't like Nadania?
ब्रो एट दिस
Bro,
पॉइंट
weirdo.
By the way, Bardwaj Rangan has given it a positive review. Huh? You know who Bardwaj Rangan is?
Yeah, of course.
he's
Your
given it a-
lookalike.
Yes.
Your body double.
My second draft.
Yes.
तेरे को नहीं पता.
And Galata Plus.
भाई गलाटा वाला
Yeah. हाँ.
What is Galata?
It's like the South ka film companion.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Galata?
Yeah. It's okay, man. It must mean something in Tamil. Don't make fun of it. Anyway,
Okay, I
we
don't
have
know,
less
yeah.
fans from South India.
And we'll never have.
Not because of me. अब तो स्नेहिल भी मलयालम फिल्में देखना शुरू कर चुका है.
आपने कौन सी पिक्चर बोलती थी मैं भूल गया उस दिन.
Atom.
आटम हाँ
Like atta, but
Yeah.
टेस्टी आटा.
Atom bomb. Is, what was
So,
dropped on-
Dude, I don't know whether we'll keep this in or not. अभी सुबह या कल मैंने न्यूज़ पढ़ी, उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि पाकिस्तान में टेररिस्ट ने एक ट्रेन हाईजैक कर ली.
And more than 100 people
Yeah,
hostages.
and then नीचे someone commented, oh, so now terrorists are also working from home.
nice.
Okay, so let's get to the topic of this episode,
Yes.
which is we are going to suggest to Bollywood what we feel are maybe forgotten genres or genres that they haven't explored enough or that they used to do a while back but they haven't done recently.
Genre भी नहीं तो हम आपको पूरा प्लॉट ही दे देंगे भाई.
Plot ही दे देंगे
प्लॉट
भाई.
ही तुम
Correct.
लो, बस बना दो.
मेरे पास सिर्फ लॉग लाइन है. Like I just have
अरे
to-
लॉग लाइन दे दो. जिस हिसाब से
मैंने तो-
बॉलीवुड चल रहा है, लॉग लाइन भी नहीं है बॉलीवुड के पास.
I have,
सिर्फ logs है बस.
I have thought of lead actors,
Oh
directors,
damn.
even AD in one case. No, I have not thought of that. Not any of that. The reviewer-
AD in
which
my
reviewer-
third film is me.
Which reviewer will we pay for good reviews?
Yeah,
Oh
that's,
yes,
that
that
you
that
should
तो we
have,
all
yeah,
have.
KRK,
Yes,
of course,
yes, because वो
And-
इतना छोटा स्टार नहीं.
Yes,
कि वो-
KRK and then Taran Adarsh.
Oh, of course, yes. Bro, Komal Nahata has started his own podcast. Have you been seeing clips and everything?
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. Dude, but he's always been like a creator in a way. He had his own like
TV
talk
show,
show.
yeah.
हाँ. बीच में एक बारी मैं मूवी देखने गया था तो उस पे पीवीआर में भी ऐड आ गया था कोमल नाटा का.
क्या बात है?
हाँ, जिसमें वो ट्रेलर रिव्यू कर रहा था.
क्या कोमल नाथा का ट्रेलर का रिव्यू
भाई वो
came before a
कोमल-
movie?
हाँ,
That makes
मतलब
no
एज इन
sense.
मतलब उसका रिव्यू नहीं था बट वो ट्रेलर बजे एंड देन ट्रेलर आए देन ही वाज लाइक कैसे लगे ट्रेलर. बहुत बढ़िया लगे मुझे. तो मुझे
ये
लगा इसके अंदर
बहुत ही
ये
शानदार ट्रेलर
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. आई थिंक वो कोमल नाटा ही था डूड.
Did you take that thing वो जो PVR आधे घंटे के लिए सिर्फ ट्रेलर चलाता है?
नहीं
Sorry.
इतना पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास.
₹1 का मिलता है.
भाई नहीं है मेरे पास. गाइस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल.
Did you guys? What is the most recent movie you guys saw? Like
Nadania, dude.
Nadania.
And that was my biggest Nadani to watch. Nadania, dude.
So bad, dude.
Bro, it was very
I
bad.
literally
Fuck.
could not sit through more than 30 minutes of it. वो भी ज़्यादा था. Dude, it starts in the most dumbest way. There is no setup to plot, no exploration of character.
कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. And
This guy wins a debate का captain मैं बनूंगा by showing
Showing
his
his
fucking
abs.
abs.
That I've seen on Instagram.
But how is that the way you get that job or that
या
position?
तो मतलब पता है I bet किसी ने इतना नहीं सोचा होगा. But then when I was watching it, I was like, this cannot be this big a brain rot, dude.
Yeah,
and
really.
I was watching it,
absolutely was.
and then I was like कि क्या ये एक social commentary है इस चीज पे कि इतनी बड़ी इतना बड़ा school है and it is so shallow that he knows कि यहाँ पे मैं abs दिखाऊंगा तो people will come after my looks and think that I should be their leader. And then I watched 10 minutes and I was like, नहीं bro, इतना तो नहीं सोचा है
This
किसी
bad
ने.
movie.
हाँ ये
Horrible. It's a
just
horrible
a
movie.
bad film, dude. Fuck, dude.
Really, like sometimes we often talk about bad films and we come out of movies bad, like
Yeah.
having had a
Speak
bad
for
experience.
yourself, Antariksh, but never mind.
Sure. Very often we end up watching bad movies even though we want them to be good.
Yeah.
This is the worst of
Bro,
all
I
of them.
was genuinely excited for Ibrahim's debut, dude.
Why?
Like, नहीं, because यार
Why do you get excited with all
अरे
this?
excited मतलब मेरा vocabulary भी कम है थोड़ा,
What's
but
her
like
name? Shania
looking
Kapoor.
forward to like Ibrahim's debut. Dude, भाई, he's a fucking hot as fuck actor. क्या बात कर रहे हो, bro? He's very good
No, he
looking.
looks like a bad Xerox copy of his father.
Yeah, exactly right.
भाई मुझे तो दिखने में I think he's very good. I was hoping कि सैफ का कुछ विटीनेस कुछ तो मतलब मेरे को देखने को मिलेगा उसके.
I mean, starting with even Saif was bad. Starting with even Saif was bad
तो
as an actor.
पता नहीं, बट द थिंग इज कि जैसे मतलब वो नहीं होता कि होप ही नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे.
Dude,
उस
exactly.
film में
This
types.
is, the bare minimum you can
I
do as a
swear,
nepo
I
kid
swear.
is take good acting lessons, learn the craft at least to some extent. This guy has literally gotten out of bed like how Abbas wants to.
Sorry.
He
Right
wants
now,
to get
he wants to
into a bed.
Yeah, into Ibrahim Ali Khan's bed. That snail wants to get things out.
Apparently, his house is not very safe. But let's
Now it's
move
safer
on.
than ever. though.
Now it's safer than
Yeah.
ever.
But
Okay, complete your
so
point.
the bare minimum you can do is get some kind of training.
All-
This guy has so clearly not even done that much.
यार, and the
It's
thing
so
is
pissing
कि
off.
even if he went for like acting lessons and stuff like that, I don't know if. But the thing is कि वो दिखा ही नहीं. मतलब and it's not even about Ibrahim at this point. It's about all the recent brigade of actors that we've been getting.
Yeah.
And the thing is कि we have just been settling for the bare minimum as audience कि अगर कोई half decent या below average मतलब bad से थोड़ा सा ऊपर act कर देता है ना, हमें लगता है कि चलो कुछ potential है. तो I think as an audience, as the industry, किसी को कुछ तो stand लेना पड़े, कुछ तो and पता नहीं कितना और reality check भी चाहिए कि your movies are literally not worth. भाई इतना बुरा हाल हो गया है कि हम हर हफ्ते नई पिक्चर री-रिलीज कर रहे हैं. इंटरस्टेलर री-रिलीज हो रही है एक महीने में 3 बारी.
100% right. And the argument that these Bollywood production houses give, right, is like, it's because the movies you are seeing now, they were greenlit 2-4 years back or 4-5
तो
years back.
बंद कर दो वापस
पहली
से
बात तो
भाई.
वो- But it's not like movies that are being announced now, ये movie announce हो गई, ये हो गई, are like anything groundbreaking in any way. They're all still the same formula of films.
मतलब एट दिस पॉइंट मुझे मूवी देख के ना मतलब और इस पैनल हम तीनों में से ना आई थिंक आई एम द मोस्ट फॉरगिविंग पर्सन व्हेन इट कम्स टू फिल्म्स एंड लाइक बैड थिंग्स दैट आई एम वाचिंग ऑन स्क्रीन. बट लिटरली अब भाई रिसेंटली ना गुस्सा आने लग गया है देख के कि ये भी खराब भाई, ये भी कैसे खराब. एंड इट इज जस्ट लाइक शुक्र है बीच में भाई क्रेजी और सुपरवाइजर मालेगांव आ गई तो थोड़ा ब्रीदर मिल गया. बट अगेन हम लोग पिछले एपिसोड पे ये बात कर रहे थे दैट सुपरवाइजर मालेगांव अगेन इज अ वेरी गुड फिल्म, बट लोगों को वो ग्रेट लगने लग गई है.
हाँ, because
the other products are
the
so
bar is on
bad.
the floor.
It's literally on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just so bad. Like it's just upsetting at this point as a fan.
So that's why we thought, what better way of putting our money where our mouth is by making
There's money.
and mouth.
And there is a mouth.
You know your mouth. Your mouth. Why not put our money where our mouth is by talking about and giving ideas to Bollywood as
Yes,
to what
yes.
they can be making.
And
now,
then you can hire us also.
Yeah, please.
now, but wait. Realistically,
Yeah.
what are the chances that this reaches anyone who has any kind of writing power, authority power?
You know,
in
Antari, should be
Bollywood?
surprised the
Yeah.
number of industry people that listen to this podcast but won't admit to it, all right?
Firstly,
So,
that, and secondly, I think this must happen where a writer is just like out of ideas, at writer's block, and he's looking desperately at ideas coming from anywhere.
Anywhere, dude,
It's
anywhere.
possible. They think of film company then. I don't know. Okay, cool then. How should we do this?
So,
Just go.
मतलब again, but there are no specific categories. हम लोग usually categories करते हैं
Yeah.
जब हम लोग wish list episode करते हैं. But at
yeah,
this
is a
point,
wishes episode.
yeah, this is a wish list episode. At this point, we were just so कि भाई तुम हमसे सब ले लो at this point, but वो कर लो. So we have. अरे यार, Abby.
अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से.
Sorry.
At this
continue.
point, we have plots, we have genres, we have log lines, everything we're gonna throw at you.
No. Everybody does not have that. These people have plots and casting and everything.
You have logline also.
I have
अरे
like
इनके पास है
two-line
logline.
ideas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
हाँ ठीक है, अपन करते हैं ना शेयर, धीरे एक एक करके शेयर करेंगे.
हाँ.
आप हम रेट भी कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के आइडियाज को.
देखते हैं, let's see.
चलो,
Let's see how we're feeling about
Yeah,
this.
how we feeling about this. अगर अगले 30 सेकंड में एक और उबासी नहीं आई तो हम लोग शायद रेट कर दें.
बासिया काट देना भाई, 12 बजे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
बासिया. Okay, चलो.
You're starting.
आपकी उबासियों को अब्बासियां बुलाते हैं.
अब ये लोग पिच करेंगे पिक्चरें.
Keep this into. I gotta keep this in.
ये देख रहे हैं, बोल रहे तुम कौन सा अच्छा कर रहे हो भाई नादानिया से.
हाँ.
Anyway,
Who wants to start? Should I go?
actually let's Nehil start
Yeah, because
because
he's the one who
he
has
had
been prepared since
prepared.
afternoon.
Yeah, true.
Bro, what the fuck? अगर
We were writing till 5 minutes before we
अब
record.
अब आपने बोल दिया कि ये तो दिन से प्रिपेयर कर रहा है. मेरे सबसे हगे हुए निकले ना.
मैं करूँ?
I hope.
क्योंकि मेरे पास सिर्फ मतलब I just have the what do you call seeds of the idea.
Okay.
कोई नहीं, उस पे पानी हम डाल देंगे. आप टेंशन मत लो.
So as we speak, there's a movie called Superbuzz of Malegaon playing in
Yeah.
theaters. Now that movie is.
But where are the super girls? That's what I want to see. Why is it Malegaon and not Free Malegaon? What is this?
I don't think we are making a good case.
For
of
our
pitching
ideas.
movies.
Super girls of Free Malegaon is the movie I want to see.
हो गया, जो राइटर सुन रहा था उसने भी बंद कर दिया.
कह रहा है यहाँ से तो नहीं आ सकता. Which club do you support? Womanchester
Oh,
United.
Nice. Great. Arsenal, yes. Please.
Any more? Get it out of your system. Anyway, yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
सारे हैं पर छोड़ो. आप बताओ.
Anyway, so Superbuzz of Malegaon was largely influenced by a documentary called Superman of Malegaon. तो मैं सोच रहा था कि भाई बॉलीवुड को ये चीज़ बहुत पसंद है, एक चीज़ अगर चल गई सो दे जस्ट कॉपी दैट थिंग, लाइक टेक दैट फॉर्मेट एंड
I
रेप्लिकेट इट.
also use this kind of thinking
Yeah,
for
yeah.
planning my.
यही होता है.
So-
जब 5 ही मिनट बचे होते हैं ना episode
भाई,
start कर रहे हैं.
तेरे पे आते हैं रुक भाई. तेरा ये नहीं निकला तेरा तो.
So I was thinking what other Indian documentaries are there which will make for an interesting fictional movie. तो 2013 में एक documentary आई थी, I don't know if you've seen it, it's very hard to find. It's called Katiyabaz.
Okay.
Okay, Katiyabaz.
कटिया.
कटियाबाज उनको बोलते हैं. फिल्म इज सेट इन डॉक्यूमेंट्री सेट इन कानपुर. जो लोग इलीगल तार काट के बिजली के जो तोड़ते हैं ना,
Oh,
तार
got it.
काट के फिर जोड़ते हैं
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
उनको बोलते हैं कटियाबाज. ओके,
Okay.
सो दिस फिल्म द डॉक्यूमेंट्री इज अबाउट दिस वन गाय हु इज वो यही काम करता है कि इलीगल तार जोड़ता है, क्योंकि कानपुर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, घंटों घंटों इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं रहती. This guy is one of the most interesting characters I've ever seen put on film. Like he's as tall as Rajpal Yadav. Okay, his build is also like that. He's very short and very like stout. But उसके अंदर दुनिया भर का कॉन्फिडेंस है. क्या उखाड़ लेगा जिसको उखाड़ना है. Like let him come, जो भी करना है वो. And through this guy's point of view, they show the local politics that happens around in Kanpur. Okay. Like there's a local gangster called Loha Singh.
Okay.
I'm not making it up. It's a documentary. That's his real name, called Loha Singh, who's fighting an election. and basically the relationship of the people who live in Kanpur, how they treat this guy because they're dependent on him क्योंकि उसके पास बिजली की ताकत है.
Oh, okay.
How electricity figures in the local politics of Kanpur, and how everything is being done essentially to woo the voters so that they vote for him. It's a fantastic documentary. The best thing is that they have treated it as a comedy. Okay. तो वो ऑब्वियसली कानपुर में इतने कलरफुल कैरेक्टर असल में ही हैं दैट व्हेन दे कवर इट इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So I was thinking this is a great material to adapt into a fictional movie. Like I can think of, I was thinking of Rajpal Yadav only to play this guy. I'm forgetting his name. His name is Mushtaq or something, I think. And he's really, like, if you ever get a chance to watch, it used to be on Netflix at one point. Now it's not there anymore. If it ever comes back, please watch it. But movie के climax के time पे there's this one scene where this Katiyawaz guy goes to a bar, gets pissed drunk, and he's just saying shit to the camera. कौन उखाड़ेगा साले वोट मांगने आ जाते हैं. So I thought if Katiyawaz was made into a feature film, that would be great. So that is my
So your genre is documentaries.
docu-fiction.
copy.
Docu-fiction.
Docu-fiction.
Yeah.
No, that's
Nice.
documentary. So.
But fiction also.
Docu-fiction, fiction.
Comedy. It would be a comedy. It will be a straight up comedy. Yeah.
Nice.
A comedy set in a small town.
But yeah, that's a good idea actually.
That's a good idea,
You've
yeah.
actually given the source material also. to
Thank
go
you.
to.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You made
अब
a
तो
job.
बना लो. अब तो बना लो.
अब तो ढंग से कुछ कर लो.
So yeah, my suggestion is Katiyawaz.
Katiyawaz.
Antish, you wanna go next?
You know, actually, that's a very good suggestion. I would. Are we doing the rating thing?
Sure. You think this will be a success if it was ever made into
I
a
think
movie?
yes.
I think
Yeah.
it's gonna be.
It won't be a blockbuster.
Financially, I won't be.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ,
won't be a
मतलब
blockbuster.
Might break
it will
even.
break even.
Yeah. It'll get Javed Akhtar will like it.
हाँ, जाओ क्या like it.
Do you have like? Have you thought of like the actors who could?
I can only think of
Rajpal Yadav.
Rajpal Yadav. Loha Singh, from what I remember in the movie, is this typical Uttar Pradesh gangster. He's like really
जयदीप अलावत play कर लेगा. कोई tension
kind
नहीं.
of, yeah. Jadid Alawad is also still a little more polished.
Oh,
Yeah.
Because he more.
नवाज भाई play कर लेंगे.
हाँ.
वो तो थोड़ा पहलवान वाली
Oh.
weight चाहिए लोहा सिंह.
फिर तो शाहरुख play कर लेगा.
Great. Done. Then movie will on. फिर कमाल लेगी.
ओपनिंग तो बहुत हो जाएगी. Yeah.
And Salman Khan can play the Rajpal Yadav part.
Yeah.
Great.
And नवाज भाई can
एक
play.
बार से मैंने thought काट दिया.
उसके बाद उस तार को कोई पिक्चर में नहीं लेता.
हाँ. So who wants to
Okay.
go first? Okay. How much is rating?
I rating मतलब as in out of 10.
Giving a score.
Likelihood of
Success.
success. Of
Likelihood of
मतलब
hit being hit.
इस फिल्म को लॉस नहीं होगा.
इसमें कोई loss नहीं होगा. I agree.
लॉस नहीं होगा. अगर आपने 10
Depends
करोड़
on
में
how-
बना लिए पिक्चर तो 10
Yeah,
करोड़ में
that's
मिल
what-
जाएंगे.
My
That's
director
what-
will
no,
be
but-
Kiran Rao because she made Lapata Ladies, which was set in a small town.
Yeah. So then it'll earn because low budget. तो
हाँ, एंड देन अब उसके पास किरण राव के पास लापता लेडीज का फिर वो गुडविल भी तो आ गया ना.
हाँ अब तो आ गया. Correct.
So yeah.
और रवि किशन कैन प्ले दैट.
Oh yeah, the Ravi is really great for the politician.
Yeah,
See?
makes sense.
yeah.
कास्ट भी हो गया.
Yeah.
Excellent.
बट उसके लिए पहले आमिर खान ऑडिशन देगा फिर किरण राव बोलेगी
You have to say नहीं.
कि
Actually,
नहीं
Ravi
नहीं
ही better
एक्चुअली
है.
रवि किशन बेटर है.
रवि ही हमारे लिए.
Yeah.
Okay. You know?
I'll go next, no worries. So one of the plot that I have. क्या कह रहे हो?
Sorry, नहीं. Go ahead.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो one plot that I have is so
Yeah. One plot.
So
that
confident, oh my god.
You have, one plot that you have
मैं
is
सोच रहा था कि मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूं इसको बट सो
one plot that you have. is-
the theme is cannibalism.
Yes,
Oh,
correct. You're right.
I'm
इससे
interested.
ज़्यादा पिक्चरें नहीं बनती.
हाँ,
You're right.
the theme is cannibalism and
Let me just say it's gonna flop.
so
Bollywood
A-
के तरह
A सर्टिफिकेट तो यही हो गया भाई.
ये सर्टिफिकेट तो यही हो गया फॉर श्योर. मैं तो आपको एपिसोड के पहले ही बोला था मेरी सारी OTT रिलीज है.
Yeah.
ठीक है तो सो
Is it like a serial killer thing?
नहीं so there's this
It's a random
अरे बोलने
everyday
देना
person
उसको, pitch तो
going around eating
so
people.
मेरा थॉट ये था कि so पापुआ न्यू गिनी में there's this one tribe that has this history.
What about Mamma Mia?
Why is there such a feminist in
don't
this episode, bro?
I don't know.
So I was watching this food blogger and he was in
Oh, and you have a lot of plots to
अरे मैं बता रहा हूँ, नहीं ये
lot
मैं
of
आपको बता
threads
रहा हूँ
to
ये
tie.
आइडिया मुझे कैसे आया. So anyway fuck that, मैं नहीं बता रहा
नहीं,
idea
बोलो,
कैसे
बोलो,
आया.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो
पापा न्यू गिनी में
सो पापुआ
food
न्यू गिनी
blogger.
में एक ट्राइब है जिसका हिस्ट्री ऐसा रहा है कि उनके, एंड आई एम श्योर और भी ट्राइब्स होंगे, मैंने बस इसके बारे में देखा है कि उनकी हिस्ट्री इस तरीके की है कि जब भी उनको उनके एरिया पे किसी ट्राइब ने अटैक किया या उन्होंने कभी अटैक किया, तो वो अपने एनिमीज के टॉप टियर को मार के उन खा लेते थे.
Oh, must.
ठीक है, एंड दैट देयर बिलीफ वाज कि उससे दे बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर, कि उनके एनिमीज का जो एनर्जी है वो भी उनमें
उनके
आ
गया,
जाता
उनके पास
है.
आ
ठीक है,
गया.
सो इस उस पे प्लॉट पे बेसिकली मैंने जो
No wonder I'm one big chicken.
सो उस पे मैंने ये स्टोरी सोची थी कि एक एक्सप्लोरर है,
हाँ.
वो एक्सप्लोरर पापुआ न्यू गिनी में किसी वो एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है एंड वहां पे वो फंस जाता है. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज व्हेन ही मीट्स दिस ट्राइब एंड द ट्राइब एंड ही ट्राइज टू बेसिकली कम्युनिकेट कि भाई मैं तो टूरिस्ट हूँ, एक्सप्लोर करने आया था, फंस गया हूँ, मुझे मारो वारो मत, एंड आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हेल्प एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो ट्राइब जो है वो समझ जाता है एंड दे बेसिकली बोला कि ठीक है, जब तक आपकी हेल्प नहीं आती तब तक आप हमारे यहाँ रह सकते हो. ठीक है, एंड उस दौरान उनके ऊपर एक ट्राइब का अटैक हो जाता है.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Oh, wow.
एंड उस दौरान जब ट्राइब का अटैक हो जाता है, दे विन, दे किल द एनिमीज,
हाँ.
एंड देन दे एज पर देयर ट्रेडिशन दे
Start.
सर्व
The-
ह्यूमन
the
मीट.
हाँ.
ठीक है, एंड दैट इज द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो द स्टोरी,
Do you season human meat?
Yeah.
सो मैं आपको वही, हाउ डू यू नो अब्बास?
Because I've also seen documentaries, bro. तू
अच्छा,
अकेला
ठीक
देखा
है.
क्या?
I've eaten, but I didn't see it.
सो उसमें ये होता है कि वो लोग चिकन और पिग के मीट के साथ मिक्स करके दे देते हैं सो दैट
So it's not 100% human.
हाँ,
It's fake human
तो
meat.
तो बेसिकली वो भी वो खा लेता है एंड देन व्हेन ही गेट्स टू नो कि उसने एक्चुअली क्या खाया है, वो इज लाइक वो माइंड ब्लोन. ठीक है, बट देन उसको लेकिन टेस्ट भी आ जाता है. ठीक है,
हाँ, mind blown because of the taste.
बिकॉज ऑफ द टेस्ट की फक
Yeah.
ये वो ठीक
Man
है.
eating, man eating human.
Chicken and pork I get. What's this third meat that you're serving? ये कभी
ठीक है,
नहीं
एंड
किया.
एंड देन जब वो ये मतलब लाइक वो एक बार ही कंज्यूम करता है, फिर वो और कंज्यूम
मांगता
करता
है,
है,
हाँ.
करता है. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद लाइक टिल ही स्टेज देयर वो कर लेता है कुछ टाइम ट्राई. ठीक है, एंड देन जब उसकी हेल्प यहाँ पे इंटरवल उसकी हेल्प आती है और यहाँ पे इंटरवल हो जाता है, लाइक पीपल कम टू
अच्छा.
सॉरी
मेरे
पीपल
को
कम
लगा
टू
उसके house help.
people come to rescue him basically
Okay,
and
हाँ.
then he is like going back and
हाँ.
यहाँ पे interval हो जाता है. Now that the person is back in the city,
He's craving
now
for it.
he's craving human meat. So the second film is basically him trying to procure human
Second half.
meat.
So he's
Second
a,
half.
He's a serial killer then.
So now he's looking, he's like कि मैं किस ऐसे इंसान को मार के एक बारी like just to curb my craving once, he wants to kill this one person to have like.
But then one leads
the-
to several, ऐसा?
तो अब इसके
और
दो
whatever.
एंडिंग हो सकते हैं कि वो वन मारने से
Oh,
पहले ही
crazy.
पकड़ा जाए.
Crazy बना रहा है.
वन मारने से पहले ही पकड़ा जाए, या ही गोज ऑन अ किलिंग स्प्री,
Raman Raghav 3.0.
या ही गोज ऑन अ किलिंग स्प्री एंड देन इवेंचुअली गेट्स कॉट.
So you know what my feedback on this would be? ये production notes.
Please, yes, because someday I will make this film.
Yes. So instead of keeping two distinct one half on the island, second half in the city, what might be interesting is we start in the city where this one guy is stalking another guy, wanting to kill him. And we keep wondering why does he want to kill him? Then at some point we reveal that he wants to eat this person.
Yeah.
That's the first shock. And then through flashbacks you reveal why is it that he wants
Yeah.
to do that. So yeah. But it's a very dark movie. Like I don't know how you're going to market this in India.
हाँ, मतलब तभी तो मैं बोल रहा था कि मेरा OTT रिलीज ही है ये नहीं है.
Would you be open to the fact if it was a car eating another car?
फिर तो वो टार्जन का सेकंड पार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा.
Guys, then it would be a carnival. What up?
Nice,
Yeah, don't
nice.
leave me hanging.
Nice.
But why only Papua New Guinea? Like you know about the Aghori clan, right? In Varanasi.
But I don't want to add the religious angle to
वो
it.
भी सोच लिया तूने.
भाई मैं आपको क्या लग रहा है? I don't want to add a religious
The
angle to it.
Sentinelese tribe, what is that? The one who killed that Christian missionary who was trying to.
हाँ
हाँ वो भी है. But मतलब I think इसके बारे में how I got to know about this tribe was I was watching this food vlogger जो पूरे दुनिया का खाना ट्राई करता है.
Best ever food review show.
I think it's that guy.
Yeah, I think the guy who has a red bandana.
Yeah.
Best
ठीक
ever
है?
food review show,
So
Sunny.
he had visited this island and वहाँ पे they were telling basically कि this used to be our practice, now we don't practice it
I
anymore.
thought did he
and
have
all of that.
human meat?
No, he had crocodile meat there.
Yeah, he's had everything.
तो वो बता रहे थे कि कैसे उनका ये प्रैक्टिस रहा है, तो तब मेरे माइंड में है कि वो प्रैक्टिस अगर आज भी हम एक प्लॉट में डाल सके तो वुड बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग.
This is hard to rate. Like it can be a really dark horror film.
आमिस देखी आपने?
नहीं.
So Amis is an Assamese film.
Yeah.
Is also cannibalism पे ही है थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
Very good film. अगर देख अगर आमिस आप लोग भी कहीं देख पाओ.
I missed it.
Yeah.
The thing with your plot is that though it might be a good film, it's not one of those that's gonna earn the big bucks.
हाँ.
But it might be one of those either a sleeper hit or like you know, like after many years, it's a cult movie, Tumba types.
आमिस तुम्बर टाइप, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's the.
तो
that's
तो
the
खुद ही
vibe I get.
कह रहा है
मैं तो
कि
खुद ही कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब
streaming
this is
movie
not
है.
like a commercial hit.
Do you
Shahrukh
have-
is not playing that Explorer.
Do you have anybody in mind?
No,
for
I
the-
don't have anybody in mind because ऐसा
Akshay
character
Kumar, if he wants to do a
ऐसा
good movie.
ऐसा character I don't think Bollywood में किसी ने भी play किया है. But
No, but I can see some like
But again, Nawaz will be
yeah,
good.
someone like Jaideep or Nawaz doing something like this.
Even Rajkumar.
Even Gulshan Devaya might.
Gulshan Devoya would be a perfect choice for this
Yeah.
dude. Gulshan bro,
He's got a cannibal.
bro Gulshan, bro, fuck. इसका reel cut करके Gulshan को भेजेगा. Dude, I think Gulshan will be very much interested in the plot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He would like it.
He looks like a cannibal. No. I don't know what that means. I really don't know.
And the funniest part is Abbas was like कि इसका अगर non-linear storyline होता तो better है. महाराजा में जब non-linear था तब आए इतनी भी
मेरे
कोई
को सिर्फ एंडिंग में प्रॉब्लम है महाराजा के. रेस्ट ऑफ द मूवी आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. By the way, the offer still stands. If someone gives us a 10,000 rupee super chat, I will rewatch the movie.
Bhai, at this
Review
point,
it
just please
again.
send 10,000 super chat.
My assessment is also similar to Antariksh's.
Oh, copycat.
That it has potential to be a cult hit on streaming.
है ना?
Obviously, not something that parents will. show
Parents
their
will be
children.
taking their children to, yeah. But हाँ मेरा thought ही यही था बनाते वो सोचते हुए.
So Kanpur cannibalism, Antariksha, your next.
What is your call?
Bollywood, please listen. Yeah.
Mine is.
अभी तक के दोनों plots अच्छे हैं.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Mine is. Car. So basically, we don't make good racing movies.
What do you say? The three
Tara
race
Rampam.
movies.
तारा
Yeah,
रंपम नहीं देखी आपने?
Horrible. A race movie that.
तारा रंपम is horrible.
Tara is not a good race.
It's a bad movie,
Nah,
bro.
it's not
Not
a
a good
race
race
movie,
movie.
yeah, for sure.
A movie that takes the racing angle
Yeah.
seriously. You know, like one of my favorites is the Chris Hemsworth movie
Rush.
Rush. Fucking great. What a movie.
वो भी
So they
अच्छी
take
थी. वो कौन सी
the
थी?
Ford Ferrari.
Ford versus Ferrari.
Ford versus Ferrari. That was
Very
pretty
good
good.
film.
Yeah. So we need more of that, dude. We don't have enough of that. It'll be a sports film. Okay, so like a good sports film. But I thought, okay, so this already we don't make enough sports films. So that's another. That's one category that already we don't do enough of. We should do more with. But right now, we just saw badass Ravi Kumar. Okay, thus the parody spoof movie I think could make a comeback here. A parody spoof sports film in the form of a race movie.
Okay.
You get it? So it's like during the race parts of the film, there's an interest that you need to build of the audience who are interested in cars. So it's like the Dhoom group.
Yeah.
You know how they popularized
The Dhoom clan.
Yeah, the Dhoom
bikes,
clan
yeah.
kind of like it's that kind of a vibe. So like they're taking the car racing angle of it seriously, but the rest of the movie, like the see, a sports movie is formulaic in a lot of ways. Okay, there's a certain formula, certain
Yeah.
tropes you have to follow.
Yeah.
The inspirational speech, the inspirational coach, the underdog story, all that, right? So you play into that because you've seen a lot of these. Dude. Who wants to see another one of them? But you play into that, subvert expectations, like how kind of I don't know. I can't believe I'm using Himish as an example, but how Ravi Kumar kind of did. So, you know, that I think could be very interesting.
Have you seen this? Is not a race movie, but there's this film called 7 Days in Hell. It's Andy Samberg.
dude, I told you about this.
Yeah.
Dude, it's
So
great.
it's a
Fucking
tennis
amazing.
movie, and उसमें यही है. It's
Exactly.
two rivals, but it's a comedy.
So not just this. Before 7 Days in Hell,
हाँ.
they made another film called Tour de Pharmacy.
Okay.
Okay, it's so this 1 year that Tour de France happened. No, everyone was on
Drugs. Yeah.
performance enhancing drugs.
Yeah.
Okay. This movie uses the Lance Armstrong was the guy.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Uses the Armstrong. Lance Armstrong himself is in the documentary
Yeah.
as it's a mockumentary. Okay, he's in the mockumentary as himself. But he doesn't want to be seen by the camera, so he wants to be in silhouette. So his entire time he's like making sure, are you sure you can't see my face because I think the light is kind of there. Okay, and the guy behind the camera like, yeah, don't worry, you can't be seen, but you can clearly see it. And it's so funny. Okay, and then beaches with the light just comes on. Like, what? Are you sure you can't see this? Great. So this is in this movie Tour de Pharmacy has John Cena, Andy
Oh.
Samberg, of course.
Okay.
Hilarious. Orlando Bloom is there. Very funny. Yeah, very, very funny. So basically, this is a mockumentary parody movie because it's inspirational because by
Sports.
virtue of being a
Yeah,
sports movie
yeah.
or sports documentary. But it's very, very funny, and the entire race is taken in a very funny way. Check it out. Please check it out.
Do you
So
have
that-
anybody in mind for your movie?
I kind of did. One second. Huh? Let me just remember kaun tha. Oh, okay.
विक्रांत में से
So no. That'll come later. That's a later film.
कैप्टन इंडिया
Yes, but okay. So this is a parody
Yeah.
film
Yes.
in a way. Like it's more parody spoof than the racing part. Race it could be anything.
Correct.
You know, it can be any sports
Correct,
film,
yeah.
and it'll fit in this kind of mold. So I thought, you know, the parody films that I like are with actors who were bad anyway. Okay, as actors, they're not great actors.
So Ibrahim Ali Khan, basically.
Okay, that's one. But I also thought, like, okay, that's too much on the nose.
Correct.
Pun intended. Okay.
Ah.
So I thought, let's give a chance to one of these two other actors,
Okay.
Zayed Khan, Fardeen Khan.
Okay.
Okay. Fardeen Khan kind of pull it off also in like a very Fardeen kind of way where none of the acting is great,
yeah
but it's possible
but
enough
this
for a
is
bad
possible
film.
yeah dude
Enough for a
right.
parody
but
film.
like I like Fardeen Khan in some in no entry
Oh, no entry.
Dude,
Yeah,
he's
exactly.
even decent in
Prem
Love
Bhai,
के लिए
Ilka
कुछ
Nisara,
भी
Prem
करेगा।
Bhai.
के लिए कुछ भी
Yeah,
करेगा
yeah,
exactly
yeah.
he was bad in Prem Agan for sure
Yeah.
Yeah, but, what महलों में पल्ले वाले कुत्ते or something.
I don't know.
So Fardeen Khan, Zayed Khan, Ibrahim Ali Khan. Wow.
Zayed Khan is apparently wasn't
nobody
he
gonna call
Imran
me-
Khan wasn't he
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan is not bad, bro. Come on.
भाई मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ कि अब इतना खराब हो गया है ना हमारा पूल कि हम लाइक आई थिंक फॉर नॉस्टैल्जिया फैक्टर वी लिटरली फॉरगॉटन कि हम लोग जब मूवीज आ रही थी तो हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे उनके बारे में
Zayed was bad.
जायद तो was bad
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
इब्राहिम कह रहा हूँ इमरान was also not like one of the best ones
Not
out
one of the
there.
best, I agree.
Yeah.
Anyway, he's on the episode of Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak of
अबे
As It Is Well.
यार,
Check it out.
मुझे बोलने
Cool,
से
okay,
पहले
so
ही
parody,
preempt कर लेना
parody
चाहिए था।
race movie.
What do you think this one? How
It has, I mean, Fardeen Khan and Zayed Khan both together, I don't see it becoming a success.
No, I don't.
It
Yeah.
needs.
Option he's giving.
Yeah. Those all three. one
If
of
you
them.
said, what's his name? Kartik Aryan and Fardeen Khan, I can kind of see that.
कार्तिक आर्यन और हिमेश रेशमिया सेम दिखने लग गए हैं अब
Yeah, you're right.
बारह।
कार्तिक का नया लुक देखा आपने
Yeah.
भाई एकदम ही हिमेश लग रहा है फ्रॉम
Bro, Kartika PR just keeps wanting to make him date people.
oh dude that's
उसका क्या चल
crazy
रहा है?
Wasn't he
Shri
dating
Leela.
someone?
Shri Leela, what's her name?
Shri Leela yeah she's basically starring in the new Ashiki 3
So why are they
sort
shoving
of
shoving them down our throats? Who gives a fuck?
Because PR person need to show that they're working. So.
But
that-
this is your work.
Yes.
यार and
Get
the-
a life.
the problem is कि the thing is कि सब relationship सब PR करते हैं ठीक है
हाँ.
but कार्तिक के साथ ना वो हर actress का relationship PR करते हैं
Exactly.
which is a like it's right there and I don't know dude like for some reason Instagram recently has been just
Yeah.
PR post after PR post and it's not only Karthik
You mean
it's
PR posts.
it's yeah there's too much PR posts on Instagram and it's not only Karthik like I can't blame only Karthik for this it's everybody out there which is a little irritating because every post you see is either a PR from the government it's either a PR from one of the fucking actors or the actresses
नहीं, I mean, like now he's just airing out his problems. Like government भी
which-
PR कर रही है.
यार सभी PR कर रहे
साले
हैं मेरे
actor
मैं
भी PR
चूतिया हूँ
कर
मेरे को
रहे
PR पढ़ लेना चाहिए था लाइफ में
वीर पियारिया भी PR कर रहा है.
ब्रो वीर पहाड़िया का नया ऐड देखा आपने इसके साथ बोट के साथ दे प्लेड ऑन टू द जोक ऑफ
Oh, really?
yeah.
Him using his...
This is also becoming a fucking pattern now. जिसके ऊपर तुम ट्रोल होते हो उसके ऊपर तुम एक ब्रांड के साथ ऐड कर लो.
Dude, bro, that's literally how Ori has her career.
Exactly. That's what. No. Hey minions, you don't tell me what to do. I tell you.
Yeah, you just
It's okay,
feel
it's
like
okay,
pulling out
man.
your
It's okay,
hair
it's okay,
in a
fine.
serious
We'll
way.
make your cannibal movie. It's okay. chill.
मेरे को लगा we'll make you a cannibal.
So,
you eat Ori.
what do you think of success rate of Antriksh's Pitch movie?
High, quite high from all of you guys. From the both of you.
It's tricky because
yeah.
it needs to nail the comedy as well as the sport.
And the thing
My
is कि
movie will.
spoof films का ना क्या सीन है कि बहुत रिसेंटली हमने देखा कि एक पिक्चर चल गई, अब पता नहीं कितनी चलेंगी.
Spoof film कौन सी चली है?
भाई ये Badass.
अच्छा हाँ, okay. Right.
अब वही ना, क्योंकि वी डोंट हैव अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ स्पूफ फिल्म्स.
Correct.
अब अपने को ये नहीं पता कि कितना ऑडियंस, सो वंस ऑडियंस कैन बी इन ऑन द जोक, बट यू नेवर नो कि कितनी बारी.
Which is why he has a sports angle, right? That
It's still an interesting, inspirational.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Anyway,
first
Snehal hates your movie.
No, I
He
it
wants
is
it
an
to be
interesting.
about-
70 laps. 70 laps है तुम्हारे पास.
ये 70
बताने
लैप
के.
अगर तो अपनी जिंदगी के सबसे अच्छे लैप्स कर गए,
Yes.
तो
Correct.
ये लैप्स तुमसे
That
पता
will be
भी
the
नहीं
Shah
चल
Rukh Khan cameo. Which,
Great.
yeah.
I'm
सकता. Oh,
down
that
for
would be a great spoof angle to it.
I wouldn't mind a Shah Rukh Khan.
Like
cameo
जैसे वो
in
नहीं
my
होता फोर्थ वॉल ब्रेकिंग
हाँ, exactly, yeah.
मोमेंट. जैसे there was this one किक, आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी होगी
क्या?
किक सलमान की फिल्म है. रेडी देखी है?
Dude, that is.
नहीं.
I'm just thinking more about the 70 laps. What a great moment. That'll be an amazing moment. Can you imagine?
So किक, अब एग्जैक्टली वैसे ये किक में एक सीक्वेंस है. दिस गाय सलमान इज बेसिकली रनिंग लाइक फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू वन, लाइक एस्केप करवा रहा है किसी को, ठीक है.
Back when Salman gave a shit.
Yeah, so there was this one villain who's there, and that same villain is in Dabangg also.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, तो
You mean
he
एक villain?
तो he comes in front of Salman and then he looks at him and he's like पांडे जी, ठीक है. एंड देन फिर वो दिखाते हैं कि उस विलेन के पीओवी से सलमान इज इन द दबंग अटायर, एंड देन वापस से जब सलमान का पीओवी आता है लाइक ऐसे वो करता है, एंड देन ही जस्ट बेसिकली. एंड ऐसा ही उसने एक रेडी में भी किया था वेयर ही इज अबाउट टू फाइट सलमान, एंड वो अपने चश्मे उतारता है, एंड देन इज लाइक कहाँ रखूँ, एंड देन ही लुक स्ट्रेट इन द कैमरा, एंड पीछे दबंग का म्यूजिक बजता है, वो पीछे रखता है, एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स फाइटिंग. सो लाइक दीज ऐसा 70 लैप्स का भी हो सकता है.
Yeah. Agree.
Should I go for my next pitch?
Yes.
Okay, so
yes, bitch.
This movie will never be made.
Like
I'm
our
just-
other
I'm
films.
just telling you
So
right
let's skip yours.
because I'm going to use a real event.
नहीं हो पाएगा. यहाँ से हमें कट करना पड़ेगा नाविद.
India real event.
India real event.
नाविद
Indira Gandhi assassination.
No, bro.
Note
It's
the
something
time
that
code.
happened very, very recently. And it's only fun if we use the real names and real event. Okay. I want a...
Latent.
नहीं यार सुनना. I want a murder mystery set at the Ambani wedding. Okay. So it's the biggest wedding India has
Bro, this
ever
is very
seen.
doable. But
Okay.
they don't have to make the
No,
names the real
it's,
names, but
I know, but it's fun because like.
बट कौन सा रियल इंसान मारोगे आप?
हाँ वही तो fun है ना. the yeah, we can think about who we want to kill, but every important person in India is at that wedding. From India, and John Cena, fucking everyone is there, and everyone's a suspect.
How the fuck did they get John Cena to be at the wedding?
John Cena, fucking Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, everyone
भाई
is there.
how awesome would it
Kim
be?
के bro.
Dude, fucking Akon dies.
Okay, let's do that.
Akon
Fucking
dead.
kill it.
He was one person who was not at the wedding.
He was at the
He
wedding.
wasn't. He was.
No,
Dude,
yeah.
Then he must have been at the fucking engagement wala thing.
Yeah, he was there somewhere
Yeah,
in the function
yeah.
for sure. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, Akon.
I'm pretty sure he was.
Yeah.
He must
हो
have been
सकता है, हाँ,
there. bro.
मतलब
Yeah.
अगर वो
Yeah.
रिहाना विहाना को बुला सकते हैं तो.
Exactly. So, murder mystery set in Ambani wedding. Everyone is a suspect, and essentially it's a Knives Out sequel.
Exactly.
And either you get Daniel Craig playing the role he plays,
Because
we can-
Ambani's can.
yeah,
course.
exactly. Or we can make like an Indian. We can make Shah Rukh as the detective, or.
Dude, ये तो सलमान भी कर लेगा Big Boss.
But the thing that
Salman's Big Boss persona
the
as
problem
the,
with that is that
inspector.
Shah Rukh, Salman are there. They are themselves there, right?
तो but
So we
that's what
need-
ना कि Salman has been doing the Big Boss bit.
हाँ.
तो Salman is like I'll step up and I'll solve
हाँ,
घर
yeah,
का
yeah,
issue.
yeah,
And then he won't even have to say मैं आ जाऊँ क्या, मैं अंदर आ जाऊँ क्या.
This movie has a very high probability of being made. Even if someone thinks of this,
I mean, you can change. Of course, you can
you can
change
change
names and. हाँ.
Again, अब similar lines पे Houseful 5 बन रही है.
हाँ.
It's not a wedding, it's a cruise ship. And everybody is there, like all the high profile people
Rich
apparently,
people.
rich people on a cruise. And वहाँ पे a murder happens. Murder Mystery 2 देखिए?
नहीं.
Uh,
Adam Sandler. वाली.
Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston.
Aniston. Yeah.
Same lines. Cruise, murder.
so yours also going to be like a comedy crime kind of. Comedy
मतलब
Satire,
this has to be
satire.
a
Yeah,
satire.
yeah, it has
पता है
to be a
मेरी
satire.
one of the मेरी लिस्ट में था कि एक पॉलिटिकल सटायर बनाए हम जाने भी दो यार हो जैसा.
अरे
पर
यार,
फिर
नहीं, वो नहीं हो.
नहीं हो पाएगा ना.
ये शायद फिर भी बन
ये तो
जाए.
बन जाएगी. हाँ ये तो बन जाएगी.
But yeah, anyway, that was my second pitch. The
Nice.
Ambani wedding murder.
Not bad, not bad. ये बन सकता है.
Yeah,
इसको
I'm
इसको अगर आप आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी की तरह सटायर की तरह ट्रीट करो तो बन सकता है.
हाँ.
I'm just looking forward to someone getting pissed on the behalf of
Of course,
Ambani.
yeah.
In the comment
भाई
section.
वो ही बंद करवा देंगे यार.
Correct,
Like,
yeah, how could you
there's
make fun
nothing.
of Ambani? He's done so much. for
Why don't you
country.
appreciate what
Yeah,
he's
what
doing
is
for
it?
the country?
Yeah.
Bro, now that I think of it,
Yeah.
it is actually possible that people do comment and
अब हमने बोल दिया तो नहीं करेंगे लोग. देखो.
तूने जैसे ही बोला ना अंतरिक्ष का लैपटॉप बंद हो
Bro,
गया. कंप्यूटर बंद.
जियो नेटवर्क तो नहीं है आपका.
है actually. It's one of the-
Okay, moving on.
Nothing against the Ambanis, obviously. They
Yeah, we
मतलब
Yeah, Jio Cinemas.
we
We are
appreciate,
up for
yeah.
work.
it's just a premise that
it's
we
just a
because
premise.
it was literally the biggest wedding of the country.
Yeah.
Dude, of like half the world, I think one of the biggest weddings ever. is-
I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure.
Like, yeah, 1.5 साल चली है or whatever, 1 साल चली है?
6 months.
6 months. Dicks. All right, coming to you.
It's
Yes.
his chance, second pitch.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
ठीक है. Riddix, okay.
Chronicle of Riddick, great movie by the way. Have you seen it?
ठीक है तो
Yes.
another movie that I thought of is that I thought of was have you heard of so this one I wanted to be on time travel.
Okay.
Have you heard of the grandfather paradox?
Yeah. It's like if you go back in time and kill your grandfather, you will stop existing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So basically this is simpler words explain करने के लिए कि अगर आप पास्ट में जाके एक इवेंट चेंज कर देते हो तो जिस चीज को आप चेंज करने के लिए पास्ट में गए हो वो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. ठीक है.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
That's your grandfather from the future.
Is there a portal? But anyway, so मेरा thought ये था कि we've seen this कि लड़के मतलब like the partner dies and the boy then or like the other partner wants to go back in time.
Sorry,
and
I just
change.
thought of something.
What?
बोलो.
So the grandfather paradox is this. The father paradox was what Ranveer Ranawadia talked about on Latent. We cut this out.
Obviously we have to. अगर उसका शो बंद हो सकता तो हम तो कुछ भी नहीं
No,
है.
that was the son paradox, not the father paradox.
That's you're right. That didn't land. Yes.
कोई नहीं.
I cut out. Coming back.
तो हाँ सो बेसिकली ये प्लॉट हमने बहुत बार देखा है कि कैसे अगर पार्टनर लाइक द गर्लफ्रेंड डाइज सो द बॉयफ्रेंड गोज बैक इन टाइम टू चेंज.
Correct.
ठीक है.
To stop her murder.
टू स्टॉप
yeah.
द डेथ. तो मैं इसमें
Sorry, dude.
what the fuck is happening? And now the people are like pointing guns at me at this point. What the fuck?
It's the Pulp Fiction.
Anyway, so basically तो ऐसे ही बहुत क्लीशे उससे स्टार्ट होता है कि जो लड़का है उसकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड है that like वो मर जाती है किसी वजह से and now he basically goes back in time to stop that event from happening.
Right.
But now that he stopped that event from happening and now he's come back to the future and now he sees and realizes कि उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड के ना मरने से एक ऐसी कैटास्ट्रॉफी हो गई है जो कि अब ह्यूमैनिटी को एट स्टेक डाल रही है. लाइक द गर्लफ्रेंड कैन बी लाइक अ पेशेंट जीरो
Right.
फॉर वन ऑफ द
Viruses.
viruses or something like that. उसको ऐसा कुछ हो गया है. Now he has to go back in time and kill his own girlfriend by his
reset.
own hands because now the larger he has to save the larger
He has to
humanity,
reset
na?
the timeline,
Reset
yeah.
the timeline.
Yeah.
इसकी माँ की आँख. What the fuck?
You cut this
What
out.
the
fuck is happening?
dude?
Press the
Stop
mouse.
this shit.
Press the mouse.
Definitely took a bit of getting used to.
Please keep all this.
इधर
What the fuck?
Bury your old self.
इधर दे भाई. Escape दबा.
कहाँ है
एस्केप ऊपर लेफ्ट में होता है दिमाग कीबोर्ड नहीं बताया तेरे को प्लीज एंड में that was so random it just started playing
But yeah, so the end is basically that.
Maybe she's sending you signals from the past.
Yeah, dude.
Snail.
Don't do this to me. But now he has to basically kill his own girlfriend and to stop that catastrophe from happening.
the trailer that played was of you
Yeah.
the stalker killing girlfriend kind of
I
shit.
swear.
Oh, crazy.
But this is a plot.
इस premise पे बन चुकी है काफी फिल्में.
क्या बात कर रहा है
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Bro, so many.
लव स्टोरी 2050
No, dude.
Back to
A
the
lot of
Future.
Hollywood films. I
Action
don't know of a
replay.
Hindi film that has been.
action replay back to the
No,
future
action replay like Back to the Future is kind of like this.
Yeah.
मैंने नहीं देखी, मुझे नहीं पता क्या है।
एक फिल्म है द बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट ह्यूग जैकमैन है शायद उसमें दैट
Okay.
इज दिस इज प्रिसाइसली अबाउट समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड देयर इज अ फिल्म कॉल्ड सोर्स कोड
Okay.
उसमें थोड़ा अलग है
Jake Gyllenhaal.
Jake Gyllenhaal
Yeah.
the like the time
Oh,
keeps
fuck,
getting reset
yeah, I was about to watch this
Yeah.
film.
और कोई तो एक फिल्म है जिसमें यही प्रेमिस है वो he goes in the past to try and save someone getting killed then he realizes every time he comes back she dies from a new way so like she's destined to die
that's the Doctor Strange
yeah.
effect no
kind
From
of
the
actually
what if.
yeah it's
हाँ,
kind of like from Doctor
नहीं बट
Strange.
मेरे प्लॉट में एंड में ये होगा कि उसको खुद ही मार एंड दैट इज द इमोशनल टर्मोइल पार्ट ऑफ इट
Right,
वेयर ही
right.
नाउ हैज टू किल द वन जिसके लिए ही स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग लाइक इमेजिन अगर लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर उसने कभी टाइम ट्रैवल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता ठीक है जस्ट टू सेव हर वो टाइम ट्रैवल इन्वेंट करता है एंड देन ही गोज बैक सेव्स रियलाइजेस कि फक इतना सब कुछ हो गया एंड नाउ उसी चीज को यूज करके ही हैज टू किल द गर्ल तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ एलिमेंट वेयर द फाइट जो द मिशन इज अ मिशन बट द इंटरनल फाइट इज ऑल्सो अ फाइट
Very high concept sci-fi
Yeah, I like
idea.
it, dude.
Even I like it. I would like to see
yeah
it.
exactly
है ना?
it absolutely dude if done right because it's a love story right
Correct.
India loves love stories
Yeah.
the possibility of this one earning the high bucks also it's firstly sci-fi has already seems like a high budget film
Yeah.
because they'll want to show
But
what
this
the future
can be
looks
done
like
like the
the
like,
bare minimum sci-fi
Yeah,
right?
it's
like
just-
Severance type sci-fi also you can do
it's not set in the future or anything, so it's not like there'll be a lot of
हाँ मतलब वो 2025 से probably past में जा रहा है
हाँ या
Oh, yeah, you're right.
2027 से 25 में आ रहा है ऐसा
Actually,
कुछ सिर्फ वो जो ट्रैवलिंग बैक इन टाइम का इफेक्ट दिखाने के लिए थोड़ा बजट लगेगा
it can be that or it can be someone in the future coming back to present day also
Yeah.
it can be either that it can be present day going back or coming back to present day from the future
Yeah.
either way
तो अभी जो रिसेंटली मैंने टाइम ट्रैवल या पोर्टल या उस पे जो देखी हैं वो ये है कि अब जैसे एक 11/11 करके शो आया था
ओके
इसका अपने भाई का राघव जुयाल का
हाँ करेक्ट
ठीक है वो भी अच्छा है सो उसके अंदर क्या होता है रात के 11
बना
बज
लिया
के
राघव जुयाल
रात के 11:11 पे उसका टाइमलाइन उसी के पुलिस के एक पुराने टाइमलाइन से मैच हो जाता है तो वो 1 मिनट के लिए जब तक 11:11 से 11:12 नहीं हो जाता ही गेट्स कनेक्टेड टू अ कॉप फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन ईयर
ओके
एंड देन ही बेसिकली आगे जाके मतलब कैसे वो एक केस सॉल्व करता है बाय कनेक्टिंग टू लाइक एन ऑफिसर फ्रॉम सो मेनी इयर्स अगो इज द स्टोरी ठीक है
okay
ऐसे करके है
there's a TV show called Awake वो ज़्यादा चला नहीं आई थिंक 16 एपिसोड या 17 एपिसोड के बाद गॉट कैंसल्ड बट द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज there's a cop he's going with his wife and kid to watch a show or something
Yeah.
रास्ते में एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है that accident splits his life into two realities and every time he goes to sleep in one he wakes up in the other okay
Oh.
in one reality his son has died in one reality his wife has died
Oh shit.
yeah
but
and
he remembers in both the realities in one go
in both the yeah he remembers that this is like I have another reality but the only time he can switch to the other reality is when he goes to sleep
so he has to go to sleep
yeah he has to go to sleep to
Damn,
access
dude.
yeah
Nice.
Tough,
Yeah.
man. It's a movie
It's a TV show.
okay.
It had a 22 episode, supposed to have a 22 episode season, but then it got cancelled midway, I think, because of the writer's strike. So then they had to fix the story within 16 episodes. So yeah, but it was a very well done show. Do you have any casting preferences?
कास्टिंग तो मैंने किसी का भी नहीं सोचा अपने तीनों प्लॉट्स में से बट
इब्राहिम अली खान।
क्या हो सकता है
I mean,
कौन
this can, I mean, science, this can work with any of the younger kids.
Khattar, I think would be good.
Ishan Khattar can work, yeah,
Ishan.
because he's young.
Young.
This also will have some
He-
element of action because he has to kill and fight a little bit. I'm
मतलब
assuming.
आई थिंक द एक्टर विल हैव टू बी वेरी इमोशनल, लाइक ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जो इमोशंस अच्छे से प्रोजेक्ट कर पाए.
Also, this is half the plot of Deadpool 2. He goes
Yeah,
back to
so-
save his girlfriend.
goes back to save the
Yeah,
girlfriend,
yeah,
goes
yeah.
in future to save the girlfriend. ये तो
I know,
बहुत
yeah,
जगह.
yeah, yeah.
The addition to it is कि
He
भाई
has to kill her
उसको
himself.
वापस मारना भी है.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, I think this can work.
This can work, no?
Yeah, yeah.
केजो
Again, Dharma only.
धर्मा तो नहीं करेगा.
धर्म नहीं करेगा.
ये excel-
अख्तर साहब
excel करेगा
पिछले-
if you add a friendship angle. Excel कर देगा. Excel tiger.
No, this can be Dawn 3, bro.
डॉन 3
Yeah. Just.
अख्तर साहब हमने सुना है आपने पिछले 15 साल में
Ranveer
कोई
Singh
picture
would
नहीं
be
बने.
fine.
I was also thinking Ranveer Singh, but isn't Ranveer Singh a little old?
I mean, yeah.
You
But
have to make him his wife then instead of girlfriend.
हाँ वाइफ हो सकता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. रणबीर आलिया कर लो.
Ranveer and Deepika. Oh.
Ranveer Deepika also works, yeah.
So talking about sci-fi, we don't do sci-fi anyway.
Yeah,
much.
yeah,
yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
okay. Time travel sci-fi is unexplored. Dude, we have not even explored outer space sci-fi,
Oh yeah.
which is a whole genre
Yeah, yeah.
of
For
fucking
sure.
epic films, from Alien to Predator to fucking
Gravity.
कोई मिल गया.
Gravity. outer space नहीं है ये तो
कोई मिल गया. आउटर स्पेस नहीं है.
नहीं, वो तो अर्थ पे है ना यार.
पर आया कहाँ?
आया कहाँ से?
पर outer space कहाँ ही दिखते हैं. You know
हाँ,
what I
fair,
mean?
fair,
No, don't fight. What is this? Right?
They are not fighting.
If you're wrong, you're wrong, bro. I can't change. I can't bend the rules of my genre. Okay. So outer space, like one of my favorite shows is a show called Firefly. Have you seen Firefly?
No, but
Joss Whedon.
I've heard a lot about it.
Joss Whedon, Nathan
Yeah. Nathan
Fillion
Fielder.
is the
Nathan?
no Fillion.
Fillion,
Fielder
yeah,
is the comedian. Nathan Fillion. Great. Alan Tudyk is there. You have no idea who this is.
TUDYK. Okay, stop laughing.
Alan Tudyk. Yeah, correct.
Also, it's in outer space. Okay, anything can happen.
मेरे दो
ये दो लंड.
दो बाप, मेरे दो बाप बोलता है मेरे दो लड़.
मेरा एक बाप पर दो.
Sorry.
The pace at which we go from high concept sci-fi to Dolan
Low brow. High concept to low brow.
is amazing. Yeah. Low ball, you mean? Anyway, so what's
Yeah.
your movie?
So, Firefly is a great show. It's about the show.
Space opera. It's called, I think.
Yeah, I think the space opera is basically like a Star Wars.
Yeah. Isn't it
Space
similar
opera.
to Star Wars?
Firefly is not
Okay.
similar to Star Wars in most ways. It's not. Basically, it's basically the Firefly is the name of
The ship.
that they are on. Okay, the ship is actually a cargo ship. They basically they help smuggle or transport things from one place to another, but then they get involved in like various other things or whatever on the way because of the cargo they're carrying.
Right.
So something like that, which starts off simple, is an easy way to introduce our Indian world to the concept of outer space sci-fi. Because why I'm not going the Star Wars route and like the intergalactic wars route, because that involves like then like politics comes into
मतलब वो
play,
probably step-
and big wars come into play. This is grounded but outer space.
मतलब वो probably step 10 हो जाएगा.
Correct. We don't need
हाँ.
powers and all.
हाँ, अभी
okay,
step
don't give me
1 तो कर.
superpowers and lasers and all. Maybe not. Okay, so lasers so it's very regular for
Did you hear
sci-fi
something?
films.
Yeah, dude. Is Jadoo trying to connect with us?
Anyway, yeah.
So yeah, outer space.
Very nice.
Amazing, great, fun times. Yes.
But what's the movie?
The movie
Outer space.
is
Outer space.
outer space.
We'll
yes.
just go to
Outer
fucking
space. I'll tell you. So basically
इसरो
एक-
चले जाओ फिर.
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Yes.
एक
Right,
इंडियन
yes.
जो है वो मार्स
बाहर
चला
जाता
जाता
है,
है
हाँ.
और फिर हमें जाके पता चलता है कि अब तक हम सोच रहे थे कि ये हमसे ज्यादा एडवांस है. टर्न्स आउट हम इनसे ज्यादा एडवांस है.
किन से?
एलियन से. ये भी तो हो सकता है. कभी कौन मिला एलियन से? हम अब तक यही सोचते आ रहे हैं कि एलियंस की जो कम्युनिटी है वो हमसे ज्यादा एडवांस होगी. राइट.
ये तो
ये
चूतिया
भी
है.
तो हो सकता है कि हम उनसे ज्यादा एडवांस हों.
The thing is, depends on who is going to whose planet. If we are going to another planet finding aliens, then we are probably more advanced.
वही तो
If
मैं
they're
कह रहा
coming to us,
But आप outer space बना रहे हो ना, तो हमें ही तो बाहर जाना पड़ेगा.
I'm still waiting for your movie. What's your movie?
I had like just genre, guys.
Log line.
I had genre, log line, bro.
Log line.
And this will look 500 crores.
Theater
This
में
will
जाएंगे.
cost 500 crores.
You write it and prove me wrong.
थिएटर में जाएंगे.
What the
थिएटर में
fuck,
जाके
bro?
पहली स्लाइड आ जाएगी.
Outer space.
Outer space.
तब लोग बैठे आगे आगे क्या है? बस तारे दिख रहे हैं.
फिर वो जमीन पर आ जाएंगे.
Awesome, no? So good.
Oh, what if that's what Sitare Zameen Par is about? No?
Who knows,
Yeah,
man?
anyway.
I don't know. PK ka
Okay, I think this doesn't qualify for a rating. I'm sorry.
Why?
Why? Because you have no movie.
Okay, I'll make one right now. You wait. You give me a minute. So there is a guy
And is
Why?
a
Why not a woman? Why not a girl?
who loves this girl.
Why not super
this
girl?
guy loves
for
this
one
girl.
of the super girl of female
A
Legao.
female Legao. Female Legao. Great. Aliens come, abduct a female from Fimale Gaon.
Okay.
Okay. And sorry, Fimale city. And take it to outer space.
लड़की
And
हार्वर्ड
now
से
this girl is outer space. But like, oh, I can't now go back to Earth because now that I've moved out of planet Earth, time there passes by a lot different than time outer space does. You know, like the
Interstellar और
yes, I
पीके का
know.
लव चाइल्ड.
yeah, you get it. So now I can't go back. All the people I knew are fucking dead. So now I'm part of this.
But
crew,
what
dude.
if time there moves slowly? What if 3 years
Hey,
there
don't
is
ask
2
questions
minutes?
and all. Okay? I'm like literally making
What?
up
Are you
as
the
we speak.
government?
What is this, dude? Even the government doesn't ask as many questions. Dude. What the fuck? What are you, Nirmala Sitaraman?
Why would she want space? She's finance
No,
minister.
she asks too many questions about my money.
That's true. Yeah.
About my finances. She wants to know
So
everything.
then what happens? Doesn't go back.
She doesn't go back, becomes part of the crew, becomes a Ravager. Star-Lord. She's Star-Lord.
Abbas, what's your plot?
Do you want to do a third pitch or should we end the episode right here?
Hey, no. I got one more very good pick.
Okay.
Why didn't you use that one before?
I thought this one was slightly better.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Do we
But
still
this-
want to?
This next one, though. This next one.
What? You're going for the next one?
No,
I
are
thought
we
we were doing another
Yeah,
round.
go ahead, man. You guys-
Okay, for my third option, a third pitch, a third wish list.
Firstly, I should just say, I realized the second idea wasn't great. But remember, my first idea was my main idea. That was the good one.
Recasting नहीं है ये कि मेरा
But
पहला
remember-
option बस था.
Remember, I did give one good idea. But also, this genre does need more.
Yeah, fair. I agree.
Why?
More
I mean,
fueling.
why do you think we've not like? Is Kalki 2898 whatever is that considered a space movie?
No, but
No,
that's
no,
a
no, there's not.
post-apocalyptic film.
Also, that's more.
But roughly the same. Even in the same budget, you can make an outer space movie, right?
Yeah.
But they
easy,
don't
bro.
want to do it, no.
But
That
you
is
can
what the
absolute-
problem is.
You absolutely can. Dude, like a space monster movie, Indian space monster movie, like Tumbad in Space. Fuck yeah, dude.
Tumbad in space. Okay, cool.
Okay.
That's
Anyway,
the log line. You know, Tumbad in Space.
Tumbad, actually, yeah, that is a log
That's
line.
a good log line.
Yeah, that would get it greenlit.
Yeah.
For my third idea, I have two options. You guys tell me which one you want me to pitch. Both are biopics.
Oh!
Okay, we
I thought you were
make.
gonna say both are bad. Sorry.
I mean, okay. The first one is the biopic of the Great Khali. Okay, the
Bro,
wrestler.
I would
That's
not.
awesome.
I will not kid you. I thought of a biopic of the Great Khali while I was writing my concepts, and I was like, "चुप चूती." और फिर मैंने दूसरा plot.
Oh, तेरे दिमाग से मेरा-
Why don't you say the same?
नहीं, देखो, आप-
See, the story of this
but dude,
physically-
it's a crazy story.
physically
Yeah.
challenged what do you call police officer from Punjab.
He was physically challenged.
I mean, like he's unlike everybody else
Yeah,
physically. He's a
okay.
giant.
Yeah.
And then he goes to America and has this extraordinary career.
Yeah,
as
dude, he
as
was a WWE champion. Dude,
In
crazy shit.
in a country where he doesn't know the language,
Yeah.
doesn't look like the other people. He's such a physical specimen.
Can barely talk.
Can barely talk. Then comes back, has his whole career with
Yeah.
Big Boss and advertisements and everything, movies, whatever.
And then he starts his own wrestling company
Yes.
in his own pinned.
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, that's one. Where in this film, obviously, Great Khali will have to play himself. I don't know how you show a younger version of Great
And
Khali.
then probably goes on to become a real star.
a real star or social media star.
Social
yes.
media, yes.
The second option I have,
But you're right. How will you cast? How do you cast this?
that's what
movie?
I'm saying.
It's an impossible
Khali will
casting
have to
to-
play
Yeah.
himself in this movie.
Or you'll have to get an actor to
Who's
look
look like that, or
large.
you do
like do the reverse thing that they
de-aging.
refer-
Yeah, that's
like
what.
no, like Shah Rukh Khan created, it made him like a little person, no, in that movie.
In
Zero.
Zero.
Yeah.
You get do the reverse of that. Giantification. Whatever you
The
call
one
it.
that they did for Amitabh in Kalki.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely right. Actually.
But I can't think of any actor who would be able to play Great Khali. It'll have to be a debutant, I think, from the existing lot.
The Rock.
No. Sunna. So दूसरा option.
Oh, I got it. Bindu Dara Singh. Dara Singh's son, also a wrestler.
yeah,
He was never a wrestler.
Oh, sorry, he was a Pehlwan.
Dara Singh was a wrestler.
Pehlwan, no?
No,
Bindu Dara Singh was not a wrestler.
Dara Singh
Bindu-
was his
Ah,
Dara
son
Singh
of
was.
a wrestler. no?
Oh, I should have gone for Dara Singh's biopic. Anyway. Because
That's
then
my
he went
second
on-
idea. Can I change my second idea out?
Because Dara Singh also had a second life as a Hanuman on the
Yeah.
Ramayan
Right?
Sagar
100% right.
Ramayan
100%
show.
right. Yes. And
And-
a third life as the grandfather in Jab We Met.
Also, he joined the BJP. I don't know if you
Did he
guys know that.
really?
Yes.
Wow.
But he was never like actively involved in politics.
Oh,
Okay.
like every actor, you mean?
Yeah.
Whoever gets involved in politics.
My second idea, and this will really, really need impeccable casting because I don't know who can play this man. Because I think for my money, this guy was like the ultimate showman in Indian
Can we-
film.
Raj Kapoor.
Can
Not
we
Raj
guess?
Kapoor.
Can we guess?
Yes.
Is this someone we can guess?
I don't think you'll be able to guess, but you
Then
can
fuck
try. Bol na.
Satyajit Ray?
No.
Uh,
Kishore
Sha-
Kumar.
Kishore Kumar.
A guy who was an actor, singer,
Singer.
music director. What a fucking
Bro,
personality.
किशोर कुमार पे बायोपिक आई थिंक बहुत जल्दी देखने को मिलेगी आपको. I'm sure.
Who can play?
I'm
bro?
sure. यार
Oh, so you're saying like, you know, like how अभी तो Bob Dylan की जो documentary है.
the
Kind
unknown.
of,
The
yeah.
what कौन सा
Complete
the
Unknown.
complete
Complete
unknown.
Yeah,
Unknown.
yeah,
Yeah.
But my thing is, Bob Dylan is not. I mean, not that I'm
He's a
taking
huge cultural
taking
figure.
anything away from Timothy Chalamet, but he's not that difficult to play. You
Okay.
give Bob Dylan the look, that's half the job done. Also, he has a very specific way of talking and
Yeah,
everything.
and singing, yeah.
Bro, Kishore Kumar was like a fireball.
That's
Uske
true.
interview suno.
Yeah.
Uh,
Really?
Performances dekho. Like he was like he sings in Bengali, sings in Hindi, sings in other languages.
Actor,
Exactly.
sab-
Has a romance with Madhubala, right? He has sung some of the most classic Bollywood songs in
भाई I
Indian
think
history.
60-70% of Rajesh Khanna's success
is
is
because of
Kishore Kumar and Rafia.
He has his whole career as a comedic actor in the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
So my thing is, I would love to see a movie on Kishore Kumar, but I can't. Like only thing I can like maybe AI advances to such a level that you can copy paste.
Oh, I was
Kishore
reading.
Kumar.
I was reading. भाई मैं एक
It
जगह
only makes sense if the actor also sings.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
It's like one of those Diljit kind of
yes.
Chamkila type of.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has to be something
Yeah.
like that.
बट ये बनेगी
मुझे
फॉर
भी लग
श्योर
रहा
ये
है।
बनेगी
Cool.
और ये सुपर हिट है होगी ही
So,
होगी
basically, मेरी तीनों के तीनों pitches are amazing.
yes
Yes. Thank you.
Yes,
Very
some
much.
did do a decent job.
yeah you
That
did
was nice.
you did
Yeah.
do a good
But
job
now
like
these are our ideas.
With their ideas.
Remember that.
yeah
Remember.
अब ये पॉप कॉन्वर्सेशन की
Yes,
आइडिया है
correct. If it ever becomes anything out of anything.
it is our credit
Yes, it is us.
it will be conceptualized
We
by
gave you
Wow, guys! I didn't know you were such socialists.
We
Oh my
gave you
god!
the platform
yeah
to share your artistic
exactly
Right. Anyway, third idea
ठीक है
from
so
Snail.
my third idea is so this I can see TVF making
Okay.
for sure ठीक है
Okay.
I want to show how an ad agency works so I'll tell you the thought behind it मैं
How it works, that's not an interesting movie.
बता रहा हूँ रुक जाओ
But it's not.
अरे रुक तो जाओ
But it's.
Listen to the pitch,
I'm
bro.
sorry,
Yeah.
ठीक है सो बेसिकली क्या होता है इट मीडिया इंडस्ट्री और राइटिंग क्रिएटिव राइटिंग इंडस्ट्री में इट इज लाइक एन अनसेड understanding by everybody that ad agency is one of the most fast paced toxic not respecting work hours sort of a cutthroat sort of cutthroat is like the PC version of saying toxic basically ठीक है so one of those places जहाँ पे you are battling out with everybody in the world and within your company ठीक है
Sorry, क्या बोला मैं?
Nothing.
nothing कुछ नहीं ठीक है
Ogilvy.
उसने अभी भी नहीं सुना बट एनीवे सो माई थॉट द थॉट इज कि बेसिकली एक बहुत सारी एड एजेंसीज हैं अभी हमारे पास, ठीक है. एक छोटी बडिंग एड एजेंसी को नेटफ्लिक्स का ब्रीफ आ जाता है, या एक बहुत बड़े ब्रांड का ब्रीफ आ जाता है.
Oh, this is like Band Baza Bharat. but
I'm thinking rocket
this-
scene. Kind of.
रॉक मतलब एज इन स्टार्टअप टाइप ही,
type,
बट
हाँ.
एज इन कि एक छोटी उसको एक बहुत बड़े क्लाइंट का ब्रीफ आ जाता है, ठीक है. एंड नाउ इट इज अ मेक और ब्रेक फॉर देम. नाउ द बेसिकली द बॉसेस कम एंड दे आर लाइक, वी हैव डन आवर जॉब, हम तुम्हें नेटफ्लिक्स का ब्रीफ लाके दे दिए हैं, नाउ यू हैव टू क्रैक इट. Now the thing is कि now this is a corporate satire comedy of that one night where everybody is working over hours, where everybody wants to crack the Netflix brief, where everybody wants the credit to have cracked the Netflix brief, and how each position in the office is playing by their stereotypes. ठीक है, कि जैसे अगर इंटर्न भी उतना काम कर रहा है तो बीच में एक जूनियर कॉपीराइटर लाइक, ए इंटर्न मेरे लिए चाय लेकर आना फटाफट, 3 बज रहे हैं, देख नहीं रहा क्या. सो द पॉलिटिकल सटायर कॉमेडी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सिचुएशन ऑफ वन नाइट वेयर अ बडिंग एड एजेंसी इज ट्राइंग टू क्रैक one of the biggest briefs that they've ever gotten or they'll probably will ever get.
Question. Why is Netflix sending a brief to such a small company?
वही तो
oh,
मैं कह
they
रहा हूँ.
send out feelers, no?
वो भाई बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
वो लोग लाइक एज इन सारे हेड्स को बेसिकली बुलाते हैं जिनको भी वो जानते हैं कॉन्टैक्ट्स में. दे विल बी लाइक, दिस इज एन ओपन ब्रीफ,
Okay.
whoever
No,
cracks it gets
cracks
it.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
तो ऐसे बहुत, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि नेटफ्लिक्स कर रहा है, बट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ बिग कंपनीज, बिग ब्रांड्स डू दिस वेयर दे आर लाइक कि वो मतलब जैसे रेडियो स्टेशन के उसमें कहूँ तो सारे रेडियो स्टेशंस के कॉपीराइटर्स को बुला लेंगे एक वीडियो कॉल पे, एंड दे बी लाइक, ये हमारा ब्रांड है, ये हमारा मोटिव है, हम चाहते हैं इसके लिए अब आप कैंप पे मत. तो सब काम कर रहे हैं,
Got
फिर
it.
चाहे 3 स्टेशन है चाहे 75 स्टेशन है.
So these kind of movies that take course over the take place over the course of one night
Yeah.
are I love these kind of films because you can tell
Same.
the time
Yeah.
passage of time, and it's actually crucial. There's a recent one along the lines of what you just described. There is a movie called Saturday Night.
ओके.
Okay, which basically talks about the very first episode of Saturday Night Live, the longest running
Oh.
sketch comedy show in history. Just completed 50 years. It's
Yeah.
had a 50 year
Yeah.
celebration. And this movie, with using all the real names of all the real people, basically follows the night of the airing of the very first episode of the show. Which
The
was
lead up
famously-
to it.
The lead up to
Yeah.
it. Basically, it was it's legendary status, that episode, because it was hosted by George Carlin, who was the biggest comedian at the time. The first season of Saturday Night Live became such a big hit. Like with such that one season is what catapulted this show into
What it is.
what it is now.
Yeah.
The weekend update segment, like Chevy Chase hosted famously Saturday Night Live ka weekend update segment for
First
one
one, yeah.
season. That's it.
yeah.
But he's still considered one of the greatest hosts ever of that segment because of the way he did it. So these things, okay. So they describe
Yeah.
the Saturday Night, the movie follows just the few hours just before this thing goes live. The Saturday Night Live goes live. The very first.
ये थॉट था, एंड आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज से रिलेट कर पाएंगे बिकॉज द क्रिएटिव फील्ड इज मैसिव. इट इज मैसिव. बहुत सारे, एज इन मैं मासेस की बात नहीं कर रहा, है
Right,
नीश ही,
right.
बट उस नीश में बहुत सारे
That's
लोग
what
हैं.
I'm saying. I'm saying that it still needs, like, for example, in The Office, the TV show, you still had to show the knock joke between Jim and Pam, right?
हाँ,
So, like, even someone who has not worked in an office environment, still
For
relating
sure,
to that.
for sure.
So
That's why I
here
said-
also you will need like internal rivalries.
हाँ, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ
हाँ,
कि
romance,
अपना
office
जो
romance.
हायरार्की है, हायरार्की डायनामिक्स आएंगे, सेल्स टीम और क्रिएटिव टीम के बीच की बातें आएंगी. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, अब जैसे बड़ा ब्रीफ आता है और टाइमलाइन बड़े ब्रीफ्स का हमेशा कम होता है.
Correct.
एंड एज आई बेसिकली मेंशन्ड कि भाई टाइम वर्क आवर्स तो एजेंसीज में वैसे ही नहीं होते. सो ऐसा एक सेटिंग, एक प्ले है नो स्मोकिंग करके, आपने देखा है?
नहीं सुना है लेकिन मैंने
No
उसको।
smoking.
नो स्मोकिंग
कुमुद
करके,
मिश्रा is in it,
कुमुद
right?
मिश्रा
Yeah,
इज इन
yeah,
इट. नो स्मोकिंग करके एक प्ले है. सो उस प्ले का प्रेमिस क्या है कि अब ऑफिस में आपको बतेरे कैरेक्टर मिलते हैं भाई. तो उस प्ले का वो क्या है कि वो लोग स्मोकिंग रूम में बैठे हैं एंड एक इंटर्न, 2 एम्प्लॉइज, एक ऐसा एम्प्लॉय जो आज रिटायर होने वाला है, बॉस, सब एक एक करके आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, एक टाइम पे सारे हैं, एक टाइम पे नहीं है, तो उनके बीच की कॉन्वर्जेशन, डायनामिक्स, नोक जोक वगैरह वगैरह. तो आई थिंक एक ऑफिस सेटअप ऐसी चीज है जिससे काफी दुनिया रिलेट करती है. मोस्टली लोग ऑफिस सैलरीड एम्प्लॉयज रिलेट करते हैं. एजेंसी का एक नीश भी क्रैक होगा. कॉर्पोरेट सैटायर कॉमेडी है, लोग रिलेट करेंगे. आई थिंक इट कैन बी अ गुड OTT sort of a situation.
It can be but it's one night.
It's one night.
Yeah.
Like I wanted to keep, I want to keep it like one night so that it is very tight, fast-paced, race against time
Okay.
sort of a situation.
Cool. Yeah, I can see it working. Again, I think the audience is a little niche for this,
Yeah,
but
really.
those who will like it will really like it. I
Yeah,
feel.
it's a perfect, one of those second screen movies.
No.
That's an insult for the movie. no, sorry.
Second screen तो नहीं है.
वो बेचारा बोल रहा है एक रात डेडलाइन है, सब हो रहा है, ये बोल रहा है, लोग
I'll be on
लोग
my phone.
कपड़े फोल्ड करते करते चलता रहेगा. What is your thing? Third thing?
My third movie.
In Earth movie, one outer space
Yeah,
movie
yeah.
has happened.
Okay, so the thing is,
अंतरिक्ष 25 मिनट का सेटअप लेता है.
correct.
ये भाई इसने नहीं सोचा, ये अभी सोच रहा है क्या
फिर
बोलने का.
एक लाइन कहता है.
So basically, why should
Boys have all the fun.
yeah correct?
What about
Firstly
the
that,
what
firstly
about the
that.
super girls of female gaon?
Why does it only rain men? Is the question. Why not?
Sorry.
Basically, why should America get first pick of video game movies and video game
Of course, yeah.
stuff, right?
Yeah.
We can also make
Yes.
great Bollywoodized or Indianized adaptation of video game movies,
Yeah.
dude. One of my favorite games is a game called Hades. I've talked to you about this. Okay, Hades is mythologically speaking, Hades is the Greek god of death.
Yeah.
Okay, so this game, Hades, the game is about Hades' son. Okay, trying to escape hell, get out of Hades' domain, get out of Hades, and get into the land of the living. That's the game. Okay, but and the premise of the game is that you die a lot in the game. Every time you die, you are born with either like enhanced skills or newer skills. You learn something new each time, so that you go a little further now than you did the last time. Okay, fucking what a game! I think it was released in 2023. That year, it got Game of the Year or something. Epic. Okay, we could Indianize this. Yamraj के घर में यमराज के in the kingdom of Yamraj. Okay,
राज्य में.
राज्य
If you were
में,
looking
yes,
for that word,
correct,
yes.
absolutely, nice, well done. यमराज्य में, is that correct? I don't know.
Now it is.
No, I don't know. यमराज जी के राज्य में, there is one
यमराज जी
person-
के यहाँ.
you know, वहाँ पे ये एरिया में वहाँ पे there is, it can be a disciple, it can be a son, offspring.
Can
it can be-
Yamraj have kids? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know mythologically enough. That's why I'm
Correct.
giving it a
Yeah.
little open.
Yeah, we don't know, guys. Don't
Yeah,
don't take offense.
come after us, okay? It's don't send the god of death after us just yet. Wants to escape the realm
Rajya,
of
yeah. Death.
of the dead, and all the challenges he goes through to achieve that,
Nice.
and how he's tortured and how he's not.
Yeah.
What brings him back? The souls he's trying to remember. His life is trying to remember when he's, that is still here. That is the people who are still alive from his life that he left behind because he was there, in various ways. And you could show the separate, like very often these kind of movies and anything to do with hell and demons and all. No, they're often like tests that you have to do, or the different realms you have to come across, and defeat the people in those realms to progress to the next floor or the next level or what you were. Yeah, I think could be very cool.
एक फिल्म है
Yeah.
बहुत ही अलग इससे, बट 2-3 चीजें सिमिलर हैं. वाह लाइफ हो तो ऐसी देखी है आपने?
सुना है.
बाय एनी चांस?
Yeah, of course.
अजय देवगन वाली है.
Yeah, नहीं,
नहीं,
शाहिद कपूर वाली.
शाहिद
अजय-
कपूर. शाहिद कपूर
and
and
Sanjay
Sanjay
Dutt
Dutt.
is
okay.
plays God.
So Sanjay Dutt basically plays Yamraj,
हाँ.
and शाहिद
Oh wait,
कपूर.
you're talking about the Siddharth Malhotra,
Yeah,
Ajay
yeah, I
Devgan,
was thinking
the one
of
that
Oh,
released
that's
recently.
Thank God.
हाँ,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
ठीक है, तो उसमें बेसिकली दिस बॉय डाइज, शाहिद कपूर डाइज, एंड देन ही गोज अप एंड यमराज बेसिकली कम्स टू पिक हिम अप, एंड देन ही इज लाइक कि भाई मेरे पास अभी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं, मैं अभी नहीं मर सकता, व्हाट द फक इज रॉन्ग विद यू. तो ही इज लाइक कि अब तो तू मर गया, मैं पहुंच गया टाइम पे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो ही बेसिकली आस्क्स फॉर लाइक मुझे 5-6 दिन दे दे, मैं 6 दिन में अपनी चीज़ें सॉर्ट करके वापस तेरे पास हेल में आ जाऊँगा. एंड देन हाउ ही बेसिकली कम्स डाउन एंड हनुमान चालीसा पढ़. अरशद वारसी का कैमियो है. अरशद वारसी कहता है अगर तुम हनुमान जी को हनुमान चालीसा बोलोगे तो तुम्हें हनुमान जी की पावर्स मिल जाएंगी थोड़ी सी. तो उनको फिर हनुमान जी की पावर्स मिलती हैं. फिर वो कैसे अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सब ठीक करते हैं. एंड देन इवेंचुअली यमराज बेसिकली गिव्स देम देयर लाइफ बैक एंड दे लाइक तुम अच्छे लोग हो, तुम हमें मरना डिजर्व नहीं करते.
I think I see this as a animated movie more than a live action movie because
But
it has
I see it as a comedy film for some reason.
Oh, really? I'm thinking of
I-
it as like a high adrenaline
Fantasy.
action fantasy movie, dude.
पता नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है कि ऐसा लाइक कॉमेडी भी बन सकता है where the person who wants to get out of that realm is basically trying to trick his way out of the
Yamraj.
Dude, the thing is, it'll become if we go the comedic route, no, this will become campy, dude. I don't want it to be that. I don't want to. It's still, you know what I mean. It'll become very like very casual if we make it a comedy.
Understood. हाँ,
It'll
मतलब
be like, oh, okay,
obviously
now next
action-
task, next task.
एक्शन एंड
Yeah.
हाई स्पीड और ये और सब तो चलो, मतलब दिस इज तो राइट देयर.
Yeah.
मैं बस देख रहा था कि मतलब कुछ उल्टा अप्रोच भी आ सकता है क्या इसका.
मतलब हाँ, I would like to avoid that.
हाँ हाँ, कोई दिक्कत
For
नहीं.
my movie, we'll avoid.
sure
For
man.
Snehil's movie, we'll make it.
You went
comedy.
from outer space to like the depths of hell. Wow.
You're
You've
right.
range.
covered
What a
everything.
range, bro. Yeah.
You've covered everything. So the first movie was on Earth. The second movie was in space.
Yeah.
The third movie is in hell.
Yeah.
The 3 movies you've pitched are actually movies that we haven't seen in any like in Indian
Thank you.
Indian
Yeah, but
movies
there's
so
a
far.
reason.
People are not creative enough. That's the reason. Correct. You are right.
So
Very
all
blank
3 of
reviews.
your ideas, depending on, I mean, second was not an idea. I'm
Hey, I gave you a
disqualifying
log
that
line.
one.
I gave you a
What?
log line.
It's outer space.
It's out of
Tumba
space.
in outer space.
Not in outer space. what is that ghost's name in that? क्या बुलाते हैं यार उसको?
हस्तर.
हस्तर कहाँ छुपेगा आउटर स्पेस में यार? छोड़ो.
मार्स के पीछे.
Anyway, so those were our pitches for Bollywood. Bollywood
Said
if you're
pitches.
मैं वही सोच रहा था.
This is
पता
a
है,
very
I was
pro-
like, bro, this joke is right there. Why hasn't anyone cracked it? in-
Wait till the end.
Yeah, I
And
swear.
it is 12:30 at night.
हाँ,
And
तो
I'm
we were like,
very
अब हमारे
sure.
पास
Can't
सिर्फ
avoid.
सर्विस लेवल ही बचे हैं.
Yes, correct.
pro-feminist podcast, so we appreciate women a lot. So let's just recap. My thing was the first one was Katiyabaz, the fictional version.
Yep.
The second was Murder at the Ambani Wedding, and the third is the biopic of Kishore Kumar / Great Khali. Snehil, what were your 3
So
pitches?
my first pitch was the cannibalism
Yes,
wala angle
of Papua New Guinea.
of Papua New Guinea. The second one was the time travel, the grandfather
Yes.
paradox, and the third one was the corporate life one night.
One night.
And mine are a little more complicated.
Jesus.
First was like
Race parody.
a race parody
Oh
sports
fuck yeah, I
film.
forgot that shit.
Yeah, that was
That's how long we've been.
a race parody sports film. Starring Fardeen Khan or
Zayed
Zayed
Khan, yes.
or Ibrahim Ali Khan.
और अंतरिक्ष टक्कर.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, bad actors, correct.
हम लोग तीनों कर सकते हैं उसके अंदर एक्टिंग यार.
हाँ, correct, dude. Why not?
रेस करनी है, 3 लोग, एक से तो ज्यादा ही लोग चाहिए.
Yeah.
Correct.
And it includes the legendary Shah Rukh Khan cameo, 70.
70 laps.
है तुम्हारे पास.
Yeah.
इन 70 laps में मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताऊंगा कि गाड़ी कैसे
हाँ,
चलाते हैं.
तुम मुझे
तो
बताओगे चला
गाड़ी
कर.
चला कर.
एंड इस फिल्म को मिलेंगे 70 क्लैप्स ऑल्सो.
Yes, exactly 70 claps. All right. The next one was
आउटर स्पेस.
Outer space.
outer
Moving on.
space. A movie
Tumbad in outer
based in
space.
outer space. It can be anything. You give me a love story in outer space.
क्या range है?
Give
It can
me-
be anything.
Anything. But basically, I would like to see Tumbad in outer space would be
हाँ.
nice. Like an alien type movie, like a monster movie in outer space.
Sure, yes.
Something like that would be nice. And the last one was the
Hello.
Hades.
Hideous. Very hideous.
slash
last one.
Yamraj.
Sorry,
Hideous,
I forgot.
yeah.
It's on the previous page. Only. Is the video game movie?
Yeah. Which is
India
hideous.
should be making more. And this one is called Yamraj, which is
Nice.
Hades in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. You get it?
Yeah.
You know, I had one more
No, please.
idea.
Save it for
If you
next
just
time.
want to throw it out there.
Okay, throw.
Just throw it out there.
Uh.
Two quick ideas that I have.
ये 1 से 2 कैसे हो गए?
Three actually. you know.
आपके
So
ideas
basically,
अमीबा हैं.
One is we don't make enough good startup movies. Like we made Sarfira, that was one. We made Guru, that's the second. Okay, startup.
Rocket
Sarfira was
Singh.
a startup movie.
Rocket Singh was a startup movie, huh?
So Sarfira was a startup movie.
Sarfira startup movie.
Startup ही तो
Okay,
करता है वो
okay.
एरोप्लेन
Startup,
बनाना.
Deccan,
Okay.
Okay, in a way, but we don't make enough.
Enough
The thing
startup
is, right
movies,
now
you're
we are
right.
going through the startup boom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the time. This is the time when India is interested in this story.
So
these stories
social
don't-
media but lens card version.
Yeah. So get those interesting stories out there. Like in Padman, in a way, is a startup. You could call it that.
It's an more entrepreneur movie.
Yeah, sure, you get it. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you're right. Not that you get it. So that's
What
one.
periods? No, I don't
So
get that.
like examples of. Sure.
Just ignore
Sure.
my joke.
Examples of the startup movie. Two brands that could work in the Indian context are Jockey and Amul.
Bro, boat.
Jockey is an Indian brand?
Jockey is not an Indian brand,
okay.
but their Indian story
Okay.
is very interesting. Of how they are very like some of the best employers. They take care of their employees really well.
What's the
and their
second one you
philosophy
said?
And
Amul.
Amul.
Already been made. It's a film called Manthan by Sham Benegal.
Oh yeah.
Is it
It was
really?
funded
Of
by the
course.
farmers of
Yeah,
Gujarat.
dude.
Wow, that is a good movie.
It's a very
Oh,
good
bro,
movie.
Manthan
What?
is one
I
of
had
the
no idea.
most legendary films. Smita Patil, bro.
Smita Patil, Nasiruddin Shah, Om Puri, Amrish Puri, Amrish
क्या
Puri.
70s, 80s? 90s?
80s. Girish
Wow.
Karnad played Dr. Kurian, who is the founder of Amul.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm on to something.
No, no.
Sorry,
He
you
was
are,
onto something in
45 You're 45 years
you,
late.
you are not onto something. He was onto something.
And one more thing
Yeah.
that I want to see, again, this is just throwing it out there, is I love seeing
Porn.
what is happening. There's no need to finish my sentences. Just because I take a second too long to finish the sentence.
What else do you?
Man.
What else do you
Now-
like?
It was funny.
The thing is now, my movie
Is
is
fun.
the one shot.
Of course it is. Oh, what opportunity!
ये मम्मी को दिखाएगा।
let me guess.
इसलिए मम्मी को दिखाएगा।
Let me guess what happened.
Oh, fuck.
Oh god.
You still want to continue on the direction?
I mean, you get it, man. The thing is, I love.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
So you know, like one take movies, one take songs, one shot songs, whatever.
Right.
I love those, and I love watching them again and again because of how intricately
Yeah.
they are planned, how technically superior they are, or technically what do you call
Sound.
they are. These one shot,
You mean one take?
one take,
Okay.
like Birdman,
That's right.
like
Entire
Chale
film is
Jaise
one
Hawaii,
take.
Sanan, the song,
Yeah.
like that.
That one, Galla Gudiyan.
Birdman.
Gala
Birdman.
You get it, man. It's also the rope is shot as a kind of.
Yeah.
Uh,
Arre, 1917.
And 1917, yeah, of
1917
course.
the movie.
Yeah, again, great.
Yeah.
So, we
इंडिया
don't.
में बनी है क्या कोई मूवी?
CID बना है.
क्या बात
It's
करेगा?
an episode of CID.
हाँ, which is a one-shot episode.
Oh.
Yes.
And this is what I've not seen the episode, but what I've heard about the episode is it's a whole episode of CID which is shot as a one shot, as a one take. Okay, and the thing is, it is based out of a building. So the entire episode, the people in the episode, all the cast are going up and down on the different floors. So it's easier for the camera to travel along with them and go up and then along with them. But the thing is, by the end of the 30-minute, the camera guy is so tired of climbing up and down with that huge camera rig. The camera starts shaking and all, and becomes really lazy by the end of like the 20-minute mark. This is what I've heard. I don't know how true this is. Tell us, send us a link or whatever. Put a link. Everyone put a link of the episode in the comments. Put the same link, but everyone know that. So yeah, one take movies. I think we should try. We should at least try.
Last thing I want to say before we wrap up, speaking of CID, a couple of episodes of CID have been directed by Sriram Raghavan. So if you know those episodes, or if those episodes are available somewhere, please put the links to those also.
Yeah, you do all the hard work. Why should we?
Yeah, why should we?
हमें तो ऑन द स्पॉट चीजें याद आती है, हम बक देते हैं कैमरा
Yeah,
में.
भाई.
अब आप ढूंढो भाई. एक इंसान ने
Anyway.
बेचारे ने शराफत से टाइम कोड्स भी लिख के भाई
हाँ.
हर एपिसोड में लिख दिया कर यार प्लीज.
If you have watched till this point, we are extremely thankful to you, and you can
Yes, thank
imagine
you. Thank you so
what
much.
state of mind we are in.
Hey, but this is a very fun episode.
It's a
Bro,
fun
very fun
episode.
episode.
Turned out to
Loved
be
it.
very fun.
Yeah.
Anything you want to plug? Where can people find you? Wanna give a shout
Please
out?
follow me on Instagram. It's @Snehil, and please hit the subscribe button, dude. We
Yes.
can't stress on this enough.
Absolutely.
Please hit on the subscribe button, and बस यार बस ऐसा है कि आपकी फीड पे आते रहें, बढ़िया है और क्या.
Correct. You can follow me on Instagram at Antrikshti and on my YouTube channel Antriksh Tucker, where I'm releasing episodes of That Filmy Game Show. I'm recording by the time this episode comes out, the next Friday, I'll be recording an episode with Uruj Ashfaq and Sumaira Sheikh. So please come for that if you can. It's going to be a banging episode. Abbas?
Nice, and you can follow me on Instagram at Abbas Momin, and on X at Abbas on Instagram Abbas Momin88, and on X as just Abbas Momin.
And I hope you had a very good Holi, because this
Yeah.
episode
Yeah,
is
happy
releasing on
Holi.
Holi. Yeah.
Holi hai, guys.
Very happy Holi
Yes.
to all of you. That's why we wore so many colors. We obviously remember that.
Such bright colors. Oh my god.
Yes, oh my god.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you guys next week. Bye bye. Bye.